I think we need all this technology.
I think this is the future of farming.
Here we have a solution.
Agriculture is the heart of so many countries across Asia and the Pacific.
And today I'm with my media friends from Asia Pacific countries.
We are visiting XAG's SuperX Farm, a place where drones, robots, and AI are used to grow crops with few human labor.
And I know agriculture remains important in their countries. I'm curious what questions they have brought here.
I've got so many questions. Like for me, I come from Fiji and we've got a lot of climate change issues. We get cyclones which are severe. When it rains for a long period of time and then the crops get damaged and the crop prices are really high in my country. So I think this kind of smart agriculture can help us to overcome those challenges. And the other thing, like you asked me before, the younger generation in my country, they are not interested in farming. So our farmers have grown old and that's why they have decided to do more small-scale farming because they wanted their children to go into white-collar jobs. But I think when we introduce this kind of system, drone technology, where we don't need too much labor, we can become more self-sufficient, and I think it will be good for us in the future, and then we won't have to import a lot of fruits and vegetables.
I think this is an indication of how technology can be utilized optimally with a lot of precision and with wisdom to meet the problem of providing plant-based food for an increasingly expanding society. One of the problems that we face is in terms of labor. We have a decreasing labor resource in terms of those getting involved in agriculture. You know, the younger generation today, they are going into high-tech and they're going into urban areas and all that. So this is, what I saw today is a good marriage. You can go into high technology, but at the same time, you use this skill for a very necessary purpose in terms of meeting very basic food resource for an expanding population.
So as a journalist, how would you cover this news to your audience?
The opportunities that are available in terms of meeting our food and agricultural challenges. Here we have a solution. It is not just an immediate solution, but it is a prospect for evolving and developing further in the decades to come.
Yes, I think we need all this technology in our country, in Indonesia. I invite investors in China to invest there